It's okay, my love. Okay, my love. Okay, mommy. Okay, okay. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Good job, good job. First time. Got the meds in. Oh, I'm shaking. It went better than I thought. I think with the help here, the fact that I'm not allowed to move my shoulder is hard, but I can use my elbow and my hand. So it went better than I thought. Let's see, the guy's in his bag. Oh, he's not going to like this. We've got to do this for freaking 10 days. Baby boy, what are you doing? No, 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 no. Under. He's spitting up some of his medicine. Oh, that's not good. Baby boy, don't spit up the meds.